Yesterday rain had come from 8:30 it started and it was a heavy rain and it was going on raining and water started blockage and water is coming inside the temple. We were waiting that the rain might stop and it will go. But till 3 o'clock we were suffering like anything. We had to go on the top and stay there without anything. Our beds are gone, our blanket is gone, and foodstuff what we have kept it here, prasadam, that is gone. Everything is gone. Our documents are gone, which we have kept it in the chairman's room. That is also gone. So whom should we blame? We don't know really to blame anybody.